Welcome to LNS Infotech Solution. I am Mayur from the LNS Infotech Solutions. Today I am going to show you conditions, loops and while loop. How can we solve into the HTML and useful for the programming so that we can make a best and simple and more stylish professional looks of the websites. So let's start. Before starts here, I request you don't forget to subscribe our channels, that is LNS Infotech Solution. Let's start. Now what are the conditions and loops? Conditions or loops are generally divided into the if else, while loop, do while loop, switch case. How they can execute into the JavaScript, that today I am going to show you with help of examples. Now let us suppose to be here I am defining a variable. Here I am defining a variable, and variable is supposed to be variable is this defined, and I am just taking that these conditions. If this will be array, if this condition is satisfied, particularly means if hour is less than 18, the greeting will be good day. Suppose here I am going to alert a greeting. Is that alert or not? That I am going to check. Supposed to be on page ready, this should be alert. None of our alert will become. Why? Because the variable is not yet defined yet. That is, the variable should be defined outside in case you have to define into the particular loop. I am defining as a blank. Now let's suppose to be I am just refreshing this. You can see this will be blank. Why this will be blank? Because this doesn't go into the loop. Is that is less than 18? No. Suppose I am making 17. Is that satisfied? That is good. That condition would be satisfied. Suppose I am again refreshing. You can see this will be satisfied. That particular conditions, if conditions. Suppose I am again here, you can give in else loop. Else loop is nothing but means what? In case if the particular variable value is not goes into the if condition, then it comes into else conditions. Okay, means suppose in case here I am again connecting to 10 not suppose 20. Here I am defining that greeting value is equals to something hello. Which loop is follow? Which condition is follow? If or else? As this else conditions, because hour is not less than 18, which is greater than 18. So that goes into the else conditions. Now supposed to be goes the next syntaxes, that is if else. I have seen if else if means go first check the if condition, then check the else if condition. If both will be not follows, comes into the else condition. Now let's come into the switch condition. What is switch? Switch is a conditions or loop. Switch is a loop. So that particular checking the cases. If particular case will follows or not follows. If follows, we are taking the break. Else here we are also typing continue means go for second case also, check for third case also. In that case, suppose here today I am defining the switch case. I wanted to check which day of today. The simple example of what would be the day of today. Here I am defining a new date and get the day. Okay, just goes into that particular switch case. I think it today would be the what did it? Today would be Tuesday. Now today would be Tuesday. Is that checking perfectly? Now let us, I am going to check if that day will be follows perfectly. I am just making a alert day. I am just commenting this part, so don't confusing into that. This day will be the Tuesday. Is that correct day? Yes. Today is the Tuesday. It's what is checking that is goes into the first case, then second case, third case, up to it will be matches, it would be go. Now here I am making a continuous statement. In that case, what would happen? Nothing is coming. Why nothing is coming? Because it still goes into the next loop. So it's not going to break to show that particular result. Break is showing that the no surrounding iteration statement. In that case, we have to only use the break. In case suppose I am not using break, what would be the happen? It will show Wednesday. Why it will show Wednesday? Because it not break particular case, not break particular condition, and it goes to the third condition for matching. If that would be the matching, then next would be the alert. You might be confusing, today would be the Tuesday and it's showing the Wednesday. So that answer would be that this is the break. Now let's going to the next conditions, that is for loop, while, do while. This is simple. For loop is very simple. How we can understand? Suppose I am just making this, and here I am just alerting something. Is that would be the alert something? No, this might be something would be the error, because cars is not different. Here I am suppose taking some simple example. I is less than 10 and here text is equals to I. Let us check. Tuesday is coming and the 9 BR would be the alert. Last options, that is would be the if I am here taking the plus options, that what would be the benefit of this? Text is not defined yet. Then how can we come into these parts? We have to print, means suppose I am showing you console dot log. We show here a log. Log will be I. How the I will be performed? If you check this console, 0 to 9 console will be written using the for loop. Next is supposed to be I am going to check the while loop and do while loop. While loop means condition will be first checked. Do while means first do this. If the while will be matches, then again go come into the do loop. Else not come into the do loop. While first check, while loop first check particular condition, and do while first step perform, the next check, next time it would be not performed. In some cases do while also required, while is also required. Suppose I am going to check this. And just alerting that I. Let's check this. 10. Is that correct answer? That's the correct answer, because here I am making the plus plus. In this way, today we have shown you simple if else, if, do while, for, while loop. How these loops and conditions are valuable into the JavaScript, jQuery or any programming languages. This is very important parts while making any particular part of programming languages. If we need particular conditions, means goes or not goes. If goes, then how many times goes? These are the simple tricks to remember. You do a practice. In case you have any questions, you can comment into the box. Don't forget it to comment and subscribe. So thank you friends. Have a good day. Bye bye.